welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'd like to put a light disclaimer out. I am a home cook, self-proclaimed chef. I do not go to any culinary school. I do not have any formal training whatsoever. What I share are recipes that I have tried and I love, recipes that I've seen on TV and on the internet and I put my own twist on. Any advice I give you is based on what I found works for me. You may not like everything I put out, but if you do decide to try my recipes, I really hope you enjoy them. Okay, today I'll be sharing my pan-fried ostrich steak recipe. I'll be pairing it with coconut cauliflower, rice, and peri mushroom sauce. This recipe is my go-to when I want to wow my dinner guests or shake things up in the house. I love ostrich because it's naturally leaner and tender than steak. I'm not a fan of carbs or starch, so I cram as much veggies as I can in everything that I cook. So when I found out about cauliflower rice, I was like, yes, and I never looked back. I like it so much. I'd rather eat that than eat no more rice. I'll be cooking the rice with coconut milk. If you don't like coconut milk, then you can just cook it with oil, salt, and a little bit of water and to steam it. Yeah, then it will be nice and rice-like. And for the sauce, I have chosen a mushroom sauce because that's my favorite sauce when it comes to steak. I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but please hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss an episode. You can leave your comments if you have anything to say about anything. Okay, let's get into it. going to be using today, we have 250 grams of ostrich steak, which I've portioned out like this, two steaks that I have pulled out of a 500-gram bag that you can get from Woolies. Very nice. Half an onion, 200 grams of mushroom, yeah, around 200 grams, or a cup. Oh yeah. And we have our butter that we're going to use for the ostrich. We have some milk that we're going to use to make the white sauce, well, the mushroom sauce. And we have our cornstarch. That's finer than normal flour, so it doesn't make lumps. If you use this, then you know you have no lumps, but you still get the thickness, but it's not too thick. It's a nice saucy consistency. And we have the thyme stalks. Today I didn't prepare them because I'm just going to throw them like this. We have our sage, which we're going to be putting in our mushroom sauce. Olive oil, so that nothing sticks to the pan. I'm going to use that with the butter. Butter is mostly for the flavor. I like using butter with my olive oil or whatever when I'm frying steak because it gives it that, how do I explain, that caramelized like goodness. I don't know how to explain it. It gives it a nice salty, warm. You should really invest in good butter, not margarine. It's like margarine, some butter, and it will change the way your steak tastes. I tell you, any type of steaks, whether it's beef, ostrich, what else? Chicken. Yeah. Oh, and last ingredient. Second last ingredient is the cauliflower. I've grated it with you when we were preparing, so now it looks like little rice. It's still uncooked. We're going to be cooking it with 250 grams of coconut milk, and you can also put like a dash of water if it hasn't cooked.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And this is it for tonight's recipe. I hope you enjoy the ostrich steaks. Tune in next week for more recipes from your favorite home chef. Moi, yeah, I said that. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, bye.